You are dating a woman because of her connections.
Do you even like this person?
Take my daughter on her college interview. She'll feel so much better with you there.
I'd feel a whole lot better if you would just turn and leave.
Solitary Man was one of the best scripts I'd read in a long time, and that just that lucky opportunity where it's complemented by a really good cast: Danny DeVito, Jenna Fisher, and Mary Louise Parker, and Susan Sarandon.
You can't cheat death, no matter how many 19-year-olds you talk into your bed.
I had a chance to see the film. Your character, Ben, reminded me a lot of Men in My Family.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Do you know people like Ben, or...?
I didn't, really. I mean, maybe that's why I was really attracted to him. I grew up in New York City, Manhattan, where these guys walk around in black jeans and black leather jackets, pretending to be, in their midlife crises. I've never. Yeah, I mean, it hit a tone. Don't call me grandpa. Call me dad.
Oh yeah, and that was a great line in the film that was repeated, right?
Yeah.
With your daughter, who's played by Jenna Fisher.
Yeah.
Did you two develop a sort of father-daughter relationship on set?
We had such a tight schedule on this movie. They only could come in for short periods of time. We had to work each of their schedules, for them to come in. So Jenna, to get off The Office, she came in, but just a really, really good actress, and she just got this truthfulness.
Another interesting relationship you have in the film is with your ex-wife, who's played by Susan Sarandon. Had you two worked together before?
No, always had wanted to. We'd missed Crisscross 2 or 3 times, and it's really good acting when you can come in for a short period of time and make it feel like it's a lifelong relationship, which I think she did.
Did seem like you two had a rapport.
Right.
In a previous interview, you had said that the film is a lot like life. There's also like a certain sense of unpredictability in the film where you don't know where it's going to go. Is that what kind of drew you to the project, or?
It is, exactly. I love films that have an unpredictability. I mean, too many times, really early on, I know where the film is going to go and kind of guess the ending. And like life, you just don't know where it's going. And I like, this character. I love digging a hole for a guy, getting him way down and say, well, how are you going to get out of this predicament? And then sort of watching how somebody kind of rises out of it.
Touchdown!
Half hour more, you two, that's it.
But I want to see with Grandpa. He said I can call him that in private.